wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best garden tool sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Koram Plant Care is a diverse kit that includes a tape measure, a utility knife and twist ties for staking. The bright orange handles stand out against grass and dirt, so it won't be hard to round everything up when you're finished. It's a durable, heavy-duty construction that comes with a pruning saw for thick branches. However, the case is somewhat flimsy. At number 9, with the G&F Just for Kids, your children can help you prune, weed, dig and cultivate. It makes a great gift for youngsters, though it also won't be long before they outgrow it. It's a very affordable option that's made with real wood, but the handle tends to detach from the shovel. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the components in the Abco Tech Sport are made with heavy-duty stainless steel for durability and resistance to rust. The handsome wooden handles all have a hanging hole at the tip, and a charming floral pattern adorns the storage basket. One glove features a digging claw and the bag is machine washable. However, it gives off a strong odor at first. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for garden tool sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the gardenhome 3T may only come with 4 pieces, but they're all straightforward and useful. With comfortable, easy-to-grip handles, aluminum alloy heads, and a lightweight design, they should help make you a more efficient planter. The tote case has a phone pocket and there are measurement markings on the transplanter, but it's not the most durable choice. Moving up our list to number 6. Every item in the Jardineer 11 offers a comfortable grip, which helps prevent fatigue from setting in over long work sessions. The trowel makes it easy to till soil and transplant flowers, and the cultivator is helpful for clearing weeds. It includes a money-back guarantee and a rigid case that can stand on its own. However, the pruners can be hard to lock. Halfway up our list at number 5. The aokiwo green includes all the essentials, but you'll also find several less common items that are helpful, such as plant label tags and a small seeder device. The 8 pockets on the basket come in handy for holding myriad accessories. Rubber handles provide a good grip, and there's a helpful safety lock on the pruner, along with rope ties for securing plants. At number 4, from loosening the soil for planting to trimming the branches of thriving shrubs, the workpro 7-piece provides you with the tools for the entire process. The hand rake is effective at smoothing the dirt once seeds are in the ground. Gloves enhance your grip, and each item has a lanyard for hanging. The trowel works well in hard dirt. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the 9 items in the lanbozita kit allow you to take on just about any horticultural task. The contour design of the handles makes them easy to control, and it includes a special weeding device. It comes with tough, cut-resistant gloves, a bag made of durable canvas, and a 25-ounce sprayer bottle. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for garden tool sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the gloves alone make the sleek Garden Pro worth consideration, as not only are they lightweight and breathable, they allow you to operate the touchscreen on your phone. Everything comes in a well-organized tote bag with strong carrying handles. It includes a knee pad and a pruner with a very sharp blade, along with an easy-to-maneuver transplanter. And coming in at number 1 on our list, whether you're a gardening novice or a seasoned green thumb, the tacklife CGT4A will enable you to attack the soil without worrying about your gear rusting or breaking. The scoop has a serrated edge for opening fertilizer bags. It's all made from heavy-duty stainless steel and includes rake prong covers for safety and powerful shears. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for garden tool sets, or simply click beneath this video.